Hey everyone, welcome back at Charlotte from @Charlotte's House. I am up on a ladder in our 3rd floor and I am ready to address this dated track lighting. Stay tuned. I've already taken out the lights that were there. They were big, they were white, they were ugly, and that was really simple. It's gonna depend on your current track lighting. Mine, there was a little switch that I had to twist and then they just came right out. They were super easy. These are the new ones that I'm gonna put in. They're a lot smaller. I'm hoping that the darker color will blend into that beam a little bit more, and these do not fit the existing track. So now I have to swap out the track as well. The power switch is off, so I am gonna go ahead and I'm going to remove this track. I see the screw. What I'm expecting to find is that this ties into the electricity at that end and that end only. So hopefully it'll be as simple as swapping out any other pendant light, and that I can do. So I've removed the track and this looks pretty familiar to me. There's a white wire, a black wire, there's a grounding wire. So now I'm just going to attach this to my new fixture and hopefully that'll do the trick. I wanted to give you a look at the new device that's going to go in. So you'll see it's sort of the same rig. So white will go to neutral, the black will go to hot, and then there's a grounding wire. So I'm just going to wrap those wires around those screws and then this will snap right back into place. The wires are attached to the end piece of the track lighting, and now I'm going to screw the track back into the beam, and then I'm going to pray and cross my fingers. So these new lights are super easy to install. All I do is I put it in one end and then I pull down and twist, and that's in. Overall, I would say that this was a really easy DIY and it makes such a big difference in this space. The old track lighting was super dated. This track lighting is not great, but it is so much better than the stuff that was here. It cost $40. That took me maybe an hour, so I think it is well worth the time. Obviously, I am not a licensed electrician, so I take no responsibility for any electrical work that you do in your home. Always turn off the power to the circuit, always turn off the power to the room. Be careful, be careful, be careful. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and have a great day, everyone.